Okay, so hello, this is Dan, and in this video I just wanna share this app that I'm using to test out WordPress site. So let's just say you wanna try WordPress, but you don't want to invest on a hosting, themes, and what so on, developer to work. If it's the right one for you, or maybe you just want to test different plugin and so on, again for a certain reason, but if you want to do that and you want to keep your steps as simple as you could, what I recommend is to install a WordPress site in your local don't need to worry on any advanced stuff. This is like a direct installation. So this is available in you could download it for free, and then this is available for Mac, Windows, and Linux. But what I have here is the Mac version, and I just want to show that to you how quickly you could create a new one. So I'm just gonna go in here and open up my app. I have members 1 and members 2. Those are the test sites that I'm currently trying out. But in here, I'm not sure, maybe I should kind of shrink my window. Let me just check here. I need to show you okay, maybe this one works. I have this kinda like stop all corner, or example, I'm gonna go here, and then I'm gonna go to my members 1, and as you can see, this one did not have like the green indicator like members 2, so that means it's not running. So what I could do is I could run that. So start site, and once I have that start, it's gonna have this green indicator, and then I could go to the admin and log in. So I'm just gonna log in. Okay, so that's indicate main. Now local WP, they also have like, I think they have some premium stuff that you could upgrade to. I just haven't checked that much yet, but I know that they have need, and you may be interested to upgrade. So check on their website to learn more. But basically, oops, I think I'm showing the wrong browser here. So basically, as you can see, this is my WordPress, and I could do all of the stuff that I need to, just like a regular WordPress hosted site that you will get. Like example, if you're gonna install this, it's exactly the same. But again, you just want to test it out. Now I'm doing this to test out some things that I wanna customize in a membership site, because that's one of my expertise. So I'm using local WP for that. So rather than setting it up directly in a web hosting, I decided to do it locally. So that's I'm gonna show you how to create a new one. So let's just go. And there's this stuff on the sidebar. So you could connect it to your host. I think Flywheel and WP Engine. And then there is this add-on. And check this out. And then some help desk. So again, I'm just gonna create a new site. 3 membership versions to test out some plugins and stuff. So, and then I could change this, but I'm gonna leave that for now. Main, and then you could create some. You could create, if you have set some, like example, if members one, and then I could pull that from here, but I haven't done that, so I'm just gonna click continue. And then you could customize this if you have like specific preference, but most of the time this is just what I do right now. I'm gonna click continue. WordPress username and just gonna set mine. And then it's also gonna have this option to make it a multi-site, but I haven't actually tried that yet. And then add site. So as you can see, it says adding and then doing some stuff that it needs to, but that's gonna be quick, and let's just wait for that to finish. But again, oh, by the way, you can't see it. I don't think you can see it, but there's this pop-up in your computer that will ask for permission. So in Mac, it says local wants to make change, and you need to enter your computer password. So just do that. So I'm gonna quickly do it right now. And then it's gonna continue. Starting up, adding WordPress. Let's just wait for that. But again, this is a very handy tool. Before, a few years ago, I used other softwares like Xampp or XAMPP and Bitnami. But for me, I think the local WP is much direct and much easy to like navigate. So once you have installed that in your computer, it's just a plug and play thing. So let's just wait for that. Okay. So now and I could actually just so you can see in here, I'm not sure if it's but under like example the members 3 files, so you could actually like open that, and then you have your database and stuff in here, like everything's complete. And then in here I could change my domain if I want to, and so on. But what I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna, you could also do one-click admin. It says if enabled, the admin button will and local will automatically log you in as the selected user. So you could turn that on or off, but I'm just gonna and I'm gonna do admin, and just change my screen here. And as you can see, I am now logged into the WordPress site. Now you can see that it says not secured. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go on my, I'm gonna open the local app, and if you see here under SSL, there is this trust text. So what you need to do is you need to click that. And then again, it's gonna ask for your computer password. You just can see it because ask for that. And from heads up, run to issue. I'm not sure if that went well, but it showed that error because I have clicked the trusted link twice and my computer asked for the password twice. So I think you could just need to click it one time. But let's just go to our general. Yes, HTTPS. As you can see, from not trusted. Okay. Sorry about that, but basically, from not trusted, it now have the lock icon. But what I'm gonna do quickly is show that to you again. It's kinda hard to switch around stuff in here. But what I did is I changed this and added the S, this one. And then it logs you out and then you need to log in again. But as you can see, it did work. So that's what I need. And again, with this software, it's very starting out with WordPress and wondering if what did you need to do, like how does it plug in. This one is a very handy one. So I hope this video helps, and I'm gonna keep on recording videos like this. So maybe I think my focus is around WordPress and some tools that I use, and also on the next one, right?